What's going on, guys? It's Sean here, and today we're going to be discussing 4 myths about trading in the stock market for beginners. Now let's get into the video. Myth number 1, you can't invest unless you have a lot of money. That is big cap, that is bull crap. Based on my personal experience, I thought I needed a lot of money, but I didn't have a lot of money at the time. So I started out with $100, and I had a Robinhood account, but I grown to love Webull a lot better. I deposited $100 in my Webull account, and I didn't know what to trade. So I tried to figure it out, and then once I did, I found out something called penny stocks. So I deposited my $100 in a penny stock, and I watched it grow, and I grew that $100 to $200. I turned that $200 to $400, turned the $400 to $800. As far as penny stocks, I'll get into that in another video where I can get in more detail and explain to you where you can profit from trading penny stocks. Myth number 2, investing in stocks is like gambling.
Oh, I think this gonna be the one.
Did you know there's a 53% chance of you losing all of your money if you go to the casino or buy a lottery ticket? By buying a lottery ticket or just going to the casino and gambling your money, you're simply just relying on luck and chance. One of the skills and tools that I personally use is a stop loss. Say for example, you have bought a share at $1 and you want to sell it at $1.50, but you're busy, you can't watch it all day. If it falls below your purchase price by a certain percentage, for example, you bought it for $1, if it falls to 98 cents, it will automatically sell for you, so you won't lose no more than 1 to 2% of what you purchased it for. That's what a stop loss is. Before we get into the next myth, I just want to take time to talk about mindset. You have to change this to make this. By me saying that, you will have some losses, you will have some wins, but you have to have that mindset stating that I will sharpen up my skills, I will do better. This brings me to myth number 3. Investing in stocks is too complex for the average person. Too complex for the average person. I think that's bull crap. I think that's nonsense. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about myself. I work 6 days a week. I'm a married man. I have no college degree, and I manage in a little bit of time I do have and learn how to make money in the market. I'm not saying I'm rich. I'm not saying I have all the money in the world, but I'm just saying by me changing my mindset, I will be there someday. Myth number 4, you should buy what you see on the news. Don't buy the hype and do your own research. That's like buying a TV on Black Friday for $400 just to find out on Cyber Monday it's $100 cheaper. Me saying that, that's like you see the hype on the news and you buy a stock because you just saw it on the news, and just to find out a couple hours later that day it dropped down 20, 30, 40, 50% because you didn't do your research to find out what's a good entry point. I look at what's going on in the world. Right now there's a pandemic going on. So I look at companies that are creating sanitizers, which we did have a shortage of, creating face masks, which we do need, just having testing for the sickness that caused the pandemic. That's what I look into. And by doing that research and stuff, that has helped me grow my account, which you can too. So by me saying that, I will teach you in another video how to look for penny stocks, great penny stocks to get into, where you can do your own research and determine if you want to get into them also. In conclusion, you don't need a lot of money to start investing with. Investing in the market is not too complex for the average person. It's all about mindset. Don't buy the hype or what you see on the news. And investing in the market is not like gambling. If you have any questions or anything you want me to address in my next video, please let me know in the comment section. Down in the description below, you can deposit $100 and receive 2 free stocks and get on this journey along with me. Remember, change starts with you. I'm Sean, and I'm out.